morning to everyone. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are. In a previous video, we have to done lesson number 4 sentences. Hope you understand well. Today we will start lesson number 5 parts of speech. Now let's start our lesson. Lesson lesson number 5. Repeat again. Lesson number 5. What is the name of lesson? Parts of speech. Parts of speech. Now what speech means? Whatever we speak or talk. What speech means? Whatever we speak or talk. When we talk, we use sentences. See example here. I will keep my classroom clean. It is a sentence. Okay. Each sentence is a made up of words. What? Each sentence is a made up of words. The words used in this sentence fell into 8 parts of speech. Now what? All words in the English language belong to a word class called the parts of speech. What? Parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech in the English language. They are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, preposition, conjunction and interjection. There are 8 main parts of speech. Okay. Number 1 is noun. A noun is the name of a person, places, animal or thing. Repeat again. A noun is the name of a person, places, animal or thing. See example here. Girl, dog, watch, pen. These are example of noun. Naming words are called nouns. Nouns are name of people, places, animals or things. Okay. Now look at here one example of people, places, animal, things. Now see here Anita and Jay of pupil. So Anita and Jay are noun. Okay. A forest is a place and New Delhi is also place. So forest and New Delhi are also noun. Okay. And elephant and monkey are name of animal. So they are noun as well as. Okay. Now what? Phone and an umbrella are name of things. So these are also called noun. Okay. Number 2 is pronoun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. Again repeat. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. Repeat again. A pronoun is a word used in a place of noun. Now look. I, it, you, they, we, she, he are called pronoun. Pronoun is a take the place of noun. For example, this is my father. My father is tall. Okay, now what? We can use the pronoun he in a place of my father. See here, like this you have to do. This is my father. He is tall. Okay. Now what? See here. This is my mother. My mother is beautiful. You have to see use in a place of noun. I have a pet. The pet is a dog. It is a pronoun. Okay. Number 3 is adjective. Say the spelling of adjective. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E. Adjective. Say definition. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Now repeat again. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. See example here. Short, good, tall, big, small. Okay, these are example of adjectives. Now see this example. Look at that. Tall tree. What? Tall tree. Tall is adjective. Tall is adjective and tree is noun. That tell you that the noun. Okay. Tree is tall. My house has a red roof. My house has a red. Red is adjective and roof is noun. Okay, roof is red. Okay, now what? Number 4 is verb. V-E-R-V, verb. Now see definition. Action words are called verb. Repeat again. Action words are called the verb. Now see example. Read, sleep, play, run, walk, etc. These are example of verb. Okay, now look at here another example. She goes to take a bath. Now see your other. She reads a book. These are example of verb. Okay, understood? Now see here number 5 adverb. Adverb. A-D-V-E-R-V. Adverb. An adverb is a word which modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now repeat again. An adverb is a word which modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now see your example. I ate my dinner quickly. I ate my dinner quickly. Here quickly tells us how the action happened, that is quickly describe the action word ate. Okay, now look at here another example. See here. My father came home early. My father came home early. Here, early tells us when the action is happened. That is early describes the action word came. Okay. Now what? An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Okay. Now what? An adverb tells how, where or when an action happened. That means the words are daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. These are adverbs. Okay, these are adverbs. An adverb never describe a noun or pronoun. Okay. Number 6 is preposition. Number 6 is preposition. Preposition is a word which is show relation of a noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Repeat again. Preposition is a word which show relation of a noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Okay. Now see your example of preposition. Now see here on, in, beside, with, between, below and across. These are example of preposition. Okay, now see here. The cat is sitting on the table. Cat is sitting on the table. On is preposition. Okay. Now what? Here are some commonly used of preposition. Popo is between the trees. And Jojo is on the tree. And see here, Balu is behind the tree. Okay. Now Popo is between the trees, Jojo is on the trees and Balu is behind the tree. Now what? Between, on, behind are the preposition. Okay, understood? Now what? Number 7 is conjunction. Number 7 is conjunction. Say the spelling. C-O-N-J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Conjunction. A conjunction is joining words. Repeat again. A conjunction is joining word. Now we will see example of conjunction. No, and, oh, but, because, etc. These are example of conjunction. Okay. Now we will see the example of conjunction. Okay. We will use of and. What? We will use of and. Now sentence is the bird can fly. The bird can fly. Now here the bird can hoop. Here are two sentences. Now we will see how to join these sentences. Okay. The bird can fly and hope. Here and is used to join the word fly and hope and tells the birds can fly as well as hope. Okay. Now see. Number 8 is interjection. I-N-T-E-R-J-E-C-T-I-O-N. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. Now repeat again. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feeling and it is often followed by an exclamation marks. Now see your example. Oh, wow, yahoo. Okay, expresses a sudden and strong feelings. Okay, now look at here. Wow, superb. These are example of interjection. Okay. Hope you understand this lesson. Your self-work is you have to learn all definition of parts of speech. Thank you and have a nice day.